Now it's time to work on delete of a property. So for that, we are going to go to our property service again and create a method called, of course, we don't want to return anything for deleting that product, just void delete property. And for deleting a property, I would just need the property ID. So I will just say long property ID. That's it. And now if I go to my service IMPL, hover on it, implement methods, it's there. I don't have to return anything, so I will just say property repository dot delete by ID. Delete by ID. That's a method I have. I will pass the property ID. That's it. And now I'm going to call this. Let's see what is it complaining about. We have an error, it says. It says there's a missing return statement. Yeah, so make it small void instead of capital void. Yeah, that is also small void. That's fine. Now what we will do is we'll go to the controller and just create a method called public void delete property at the rate path variable long property ID, and we will use the exact same mapping as put, just that the annotation here will now change. It will be at the rate delete mapping, and then the method here we are not going to return anything, so we'll say property repository, sorry, property service dot delete property, and we'll pass the property ID. And if we want, we can say return new response entity dot response entity dot no content. In fact, we could copy this line and here we will not pass anything. This will be void, and this will be also void. So we could just say here null and http status dot no content because we are returning nothing, and then we can just get rid of this and say response entity. That's it. So now our delete property, we will delete the, it will call the service delete, and that will call the repository delete. Let's try it out. So let's say we want to delete the property of our 35, row number 35. So let's wait for the, so it has started. Clear it up. Let's form the URL. So it's more or less the post, but slash 35 is the ID. Nothing to pass. Method will be delete. Send. And we get no content and nothing is returned because we passed null. Let's check if we have the deleted item. So if I search, this 35 should not come. If I search find all, perfect. So one is gone. Let's confirm in the database. Run, connect, run. It's gone, deleted. So this is how we can delete an item. And if you see, it also created a delete query for us. Perfect. So this is it for this video. Thank you.